here we're just going to talk about a few minor things, things that you might not do all the time, but you might like to do it from time to time, just because it makes your worksheet look a bit different. First of all, if you don't like the grid lines, if you want to make that just nice and clean, where the only thing that'll show up would be any kind of borderings that you might have put in there, what you can do is you can go over here to View, all right, and you go over here to where it says grid lines and take that check mark off, and the grid lines are now off. See, so now it's a nice clean look. The only thing you see are the actual borders that you might have put in. Another thing that you might want to do too, and this is just for viewing purposes, you can actually take the check mark off of the headings, and this is also in the View tab, and that will get rid of your column and row heading, number, and letters there. The other thing you have is the formula bar, and we use that formula bar to see what's in a cell. We try to see if there's a formula in a cell, you'll see the formula up there. It's a way of editing that you might have seen in other videos. So if you wanted to get rid of that for whatever reason, you can take the check mark off like that, and now it's gone. All right. You want to put them back on again, all you have to do is put the check mark back on each of these, and they all come back just like that. All right. Now, another thing we have is the ribbon that we have up here, our advanced menuing system. You can actually hide this in a number of different ways. First of all, you can actually point right to this little chevron right here, click it, and that will turn it off. All right. Or turn it on, I guess. And what now happened is you've hidden that. So you can go back to any of these, click onto it, and it will pull it down. But the minute you click away from it, it rolls back up again. Now, if you want to bring it back, all you have to do is just kind of point to any of the headings up here, double click it, it comes down permanently. So that's pretty good. The other way would be if you, let me just collapse it back up again. Another way would be if you kind of point to one of these and click it, you'll see that little push pin over on the side there. You click onto that, that will make it permanently stay up, or stay down now. If you want to have another way of hiding it, you can just point to one of the tabs here, double click it like that, and it hides it. And then if you want to unhide it, you can just kind of point to it, to any one of the tabs, double click it again, and that will make it permanent. So when it comes to just, we're kind of staying in the area of formatting, I guess the main one to remember is that if you go back into the View tab here and take off the grid lines, then when you go to print, this will not show up. Okay, or the grid lines won't show up, as you can see here, all right? And when you want to turn back on again, just turn back on. Okay, that's about it. Not much of a video there, but little things that I think can help you. So take care. Hope you enjoy the video.